Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the terminal block in your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 2 screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Use a 3/8" socket or nut driver to unthread the nuts securing the power cord wires. Note the orientation of the wires, then pull them free. Next, unthread the nuts to release the main supply wires. Detach the filter board from the terminal block posts. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the appropriate screws to fully remove the old terminal block. You're now ready to install the new terminal block. If your range uses a 4-wire power cord, you should cut off the grounding strap. Make sure the insulator is aligned behind the terminal block. Then thread and tighten the screws to secure. Reposition the filter board. Align the main supply wires on the posts. Then thread the nuts to secure. Align the power cord wires and secure them with the nuts. Reinstall the lower access panel by inserting the tabs in the slots first. Lower the panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the electric range should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.